Today I will be recording a video called Project Breakdown. What I'm going to do is I'm coming to the featured Behance interactive student gallery and pick a very popular project and break it down to show you guys the spacing, maybe font, whatever they do to help you guys create a successful project like one of these ones. I'm gonna put on the side. What I done before the video start is that I went to each of this screen, and then I just click and drag out every image I could. Some of these I cannot drag it out because I typed in the project. So let's get right to it. So so this is the first image here. You can see, perfect. This project designed in the 1920 by 1080, as most of the US UI design projects are. And of course, I'm going to assume that this person used a grid. Actually, we'll lock all of these layers so I don't move them. And then we're just going to the first thing I want to try to do is really just figure out the spacing. Here or here. I'm just trying to see if we can figure out if there's a certain pattern of spacing. It might not have anything like O. It might just all go like O. It's not. Yeah, there's no. The spacing is just kind of whatever in this project. And then there's honestly probably no grid neither. Honestly, I'm just gonna give up. I don't think this project following enough rules. I think the guy probably did use some kind of grid, which I don't know if I can figure out. Maybe I'll try it more later on my own and then tell you guys what I found out. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna have for this video. Hey guys, if you guys are still here, today I'm gonna do actually a couple unboxing videos. One for the awesome shoes LeBron James 17, and then the other one just a couple of shorts. I'm gonna start from the shorts. New shorts from Nike. I will put a link below and show you guys what they are. I'm hoping that they are pretty awesome, and we're just opening them and showing them how they look. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this short. The print. Oh, it's actually vibrate. When I was looking at it on the website, I was thinking, oh, big print, it might wash out pretty quickly, but it's actually white fabric with the black fabric. So yeah, that's never gonna wash out. It's just part of the design. So that's awesome. Yeah, and just shorts. So let's move on to the next one. Yeah, it's. What is it called? I don't even remember. Night Dry with Dri-FIT technology. Anyways, I'll put a link below. You guys can see. It's pretty expensive for shorts. It's like $45, but hey, anyways, yes, I like basic black, so that's why I got it. Cool. But now I'm gonna get to the most exciting part: opening the new LeBron James shoes. Yeah, this is one of the ones that they are currently putting commercial on. Got to be pretty awesome. Yes, on the box is the Just Do It tape. Anyways, let's see if I can open this. All right, this is so cool. This box is so cool. You guys can see it's really designed. If people have been on Adobe Live chat, they will know that I always tell people about how I really like black on black. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see. It has black highlight print, and then yeah, this is 17. So this is LeBron 17. Yeah, in the Roman letters. I believe that's Roman. But yeah, that's such a cool box. All right, let's open it. Here's the shoe. Got a pair. That's good. Let's move this box down. Wow. Yes, there's lots of these really delicate details. Lots of pattern. There are some small text from Nike on the side talking about the shoe. We got this. It's hard to see it here, but I will open this up. I don't like to put my shoelaces on, so I'm just gonna take the shoelaces off so you guys can see. Here's the lion pattern for LeBron James. Anybody's LeBron James fan, tell me what 330 stand for. I'm not quite sure. And there's the LeBron James logo. And then on the button there's upside down. I don't know which side's up, it's the cursor. But there's his signature down on the button. That's cool. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. And yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.